Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run a report in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our reports and access them in our homepage or our organization. So simply, you can either go to the app launcher and search for reports, and from here we will find our reports, or you can search for them here in your navbar. If you don't find them, you can personalize your navbar and add the reports there. So now we need just to go to reports, and basically here you can find these reports. In my case, let's just click on all reports, and those are all the type of reports that you can use. Or you can simply create a new one that you would like. So from here, there are categories of reports, for example, some contracts in order. And from here, if we want to start the reports for all our contracts, we click on Start Reports. And basically, here you will need to make sure that all the filters that you would like. So either you can cancel, add, either you can filter, for example, by name, by end dates, or anything that you would like. And from here, you can add the columns, you can add row groups, and when you finish with all the filtering and outlining, you will need just to simply click on Run. By clicking on Run, it will start showing all the records that you have. In my case, I have no contracts reports since I have no record for contracts. If we do the same again for example, for contacts, we will be able to show all the contacts that we have. So here, let's just use accounts in contacts. Let's just click on run. We show all the contacts of all time, and now we have this. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.